In today's guide, I will show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code in laptop. So there are several methods you can do. The first one is an obvious one, but the most one that will work for you. So using a webcam and an online QR code scanner. If your laptop has a webcam, you can use an online QR code scanner service. Ensure you choose a reputable service to maintain your Wi-Fi credential security. So what you have to do is open your web browser and search for a trustworthy online QR code scanner. Allow the website access to your laptop's webcam. Hold the QR code in front of your webcam until the scanner recognizes it. The website should display the Wi-Fi's network SSID and password. You can then manually enter these details into your Wi-Fi network settings to connect. Number 2 is using QR code scanning software. There are various QR code scanning applications available for download that can use your laptop's webcam to scan QR codes. So download and install a QR code scanning application that is compatible with your laptop's operating system. Open the application and follow instructions to scan the QR code using your laptop's webcam. Once the QR code is recognized, the application should reveal the Wi-Fi network details for you to connect manually. Third one is using your smartphone. If the above methods are not feasible and you have a smartphone with QR code scanning capability, you can use your phone as an intermediary. Use your smartphone to scan the Wi-Fi QR code. This is often a built-in feature in the camera app for both iOS and Android devices. Once scanned, your phone will display the Wi-Fi network's SSID and password. Manually enter these details into your laptop's Wi-Fi settings to connect, and then manually connecting to the Wi-Fi. After obtaining the SSID and password from the QR code by any of the above methods, you can connect to the Wi-Fi network manually. Go to your laptop's Wi-Fi setting, select Join Other Network or Add Network, then enter Wi-Fi's network SSID, choose the network security type, and enter the password. Connect to the network. That's basically it. So while scanning a Wi-Fi QR code directly on the laptop isn't as straightforward as on smartphone, these workarounds can help you connect to a network quickly without having to manually input complex passwords. So I hope this guide will help you through that. And yeah, basically you can repeat this video to go step by step if you couldn't follow straight in this short guide. So thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.